In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Clash Royale getting stuck at 75% during loading. Let's get started. First, completely close the game. Open your recent app, swipe away Clash Royale, wait a few seconds, and then reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart of the app fixes the issue instantly. Next, check internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which works better. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router or restart it by turning it off for about 30 seconds and then turning it back on. Next, check for app updates. Navigate to App Store, search for the app. If you found out the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check if you have enabled VPN. In case you have enabled VPN, disable it. These can sometimes interfere with the game's connection to Supercell servers. Lastly, if none of these solutions work, completely delete the app from your device and reinstall it. And that's it. With these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.